Hey guys, thanks for coming back for another video. In today's video, my husband is installing a bathroom fan to remove excess moisture, and I am taking you along as I prep some snacks and meals for my family for the week ahead. We have plans to replace this window and move the ventilation to the ceiling. However, there are so many things that have to get done before we mess with the roof. And there are 5 of us plus 2 dogs that shower in this bathroom, so we didn't want to wait to install this fan. This is a good alternative for those of you who might need ventilation in your bathroom but cannot install it into the ceiling. My husband is using some 14 gauge wiring and wire connectors to connect the fan to the existing bathroom wiring. He then installs the fan with screws and frames it in with some vinyl. He then caulks the edges in any areas he feels might get moisture. After that, he wires it into our light, so whenever we turn the switch on, the fan automatically turns on. This fan was around $130, but it is quiet and really strong. Whenever we use the shower, there is no condensation on our mirror to wipe off, so we are pleased with our purchase. Some of you have asked about my vinegar mix, so I thought I would share the recipe and I'll link it below in the description box. I use 1 part vinegar and 2 parts water. I'm only using On Guard and lemongrass in this mixture, but I love to add different oils for different smells or purposes, and it covers up the vinegar smell and really adds a good shine to things. I love to use it in my kitchen and my bathroom. I never like to do a lot of cooking or baking in a dirty kitchen, and I was already running a load of dishes, so I decided to hand wash the dishes just to keep it moving along.
Talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over.
have showed me cleaning my sink a lot, and that's just because I'm always at the sink. But some of you have asked how I clean the sink. I always spray the sink with either a multi-purpose spray or my vinegar mix and scrub it with Dawn dish soap. Whenever I am prepping meals, I try to remember to deep clean the sink since I will be washing fruit and vegetables in it. I clean the sink with a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser that I buy in bulk at Sam's Club. It really takes off all the built up coffee, food, and tea stains from the week.
Don't you spare any details of how you feel about us. Spill it out, don't you spare any details. Oh baby, don't say that it's over now that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over.
Before I start prepping, I like to wipe the fridge down and organize it just so I have room for all of the prepped food, and because our fridge gets gross weekly.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I can't react to do. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria?
Once all that is done, I start prepping the veggies. I like to prep a big bag of different vegetables every week and put them into a large bowl. This way, I only have to make the main dish at dinner time each night, and it saves a lot of time. I heat some coconut oil and then add some seasonings and bake at 350 for 25 minutes.
It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I can't react to do. Who cares what the people think? 'Cause it's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I can't react to do. Who cares what the people think?
Here, my daughter is starting on the banana bread recipe. We decided to make banana bread mini muffins. Each week, I like to hard boil eggs. We all love to snack on them, and I use them to make the kids egg salad sandwiches for lunch. I also try to remember every time I prep food to descale my coffee pot. I run vinegar through it 1 to 2 times depending on how bad it is, and then boil some water in my kettle and run the hot water through it a few times to get it completely clean. I try to prep some easy snack foods for the kids so I don't have to constantly make up snacks during the week. It saves a lot of time. So we do things like celery and carrot sticks, muffins, yogurt cups, trail mix, and other easy foods. I will buy prepackaged food snacks once a month at my Sam's Club trip, but once we're out, we're out. In order to stick to the food budget, we try to not buy more until the next month, and we make our snacks up.
Waste another day, eyes on my display.
Here, my daughter is making up the chocolate chip cookies and scooping them onto the baking sheets so we can put them into the freezer and bag them up later. We have a ton of great bakeries and ice cream shops around us, and lately we have been stopping a lot more because we haven't had any treats prepped. This is a great way to keep us from stopping at them and saving those stops for special occasions.
The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound.
I am using ground deer, so I like to add some fat and seasonings to it because it's pretty lean. I also add some fat to the pan. I love to hide veggies in meals, and here I am making sloppy joes. My daughter used the food processor to chop up carrots, bell peppers, and onion. Deer works good for this recipe because the moisture from the veggies keeps it from drying out, and it has a lot of seasonings and flavors added in this recipe. You can also use ground beef or turkey for this recipe. An easy way to prep meals ahead is to double the dinner that you are already making. I know my kids love this meal, so I doubled it and put one in the freezer for later.
In front of us, so can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound.
After dinner and bath time routine, I prepped some fruit and made up some snack bags while my daughter did her chores and my husband tackled the bedtime routine for our boys. I leave some muffins out and freeze the rest until we need them. Another thing I like to do is prep my son's lunchbox for the next day. That way there is one less thing to do in the morning for me. I forgot to record me making up the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but I like to make those and freeze them. It saves so much time prepping them once a week. You can just grab them, put them in the lunchbox, and they defrost very quickly. Here I am showing you the sandwiches and some pizzas for lunch for next week, the extra meals prepped for dinner, the muffins, and the cookies we prepped. I just need to get some milk and apples from the local mini mart and we will be set for the week. It is really helpful to at least have snack and lunch items prepped and my meals thought out in advance, so I am not stressed during the week around dinner time. We are a family that gets hangry, so to avoid the drama, I come prepared. Another thing I like to do and mentioned in the bedroom organization video was get our outfits ready for the week ahead. I wanted to show you guys my new basket I got at Walmart for only $19.95. There is a larger one for $29.99 as well, but I loved this basket because it is big, really sturdy, and I can wash the insert. That's it for this video, you guys. Please like and comment down below before you go, and I'll catch you in the next one.